Ever wondered how skyscrapers are built? Piece by piece, hundreds of meters above the ground. The answer is this giant machine, the tower crane. A tower crane is one of the most powerful and precise machines in modern construction. It can lift tons of material and place it exactly where it's needed. Let's break it down. At the bottom, there's a massive concrete foundation, keeping everything stable. The vertical structure, called the mast, gives the crane its height. At the top, the slewing unit allows the crane to rotate a full 360 degrees. The long arm, called the jib, carries the load, while the counter jib holds heavy weights to keep everything balanced. So how does it actually lift? A powerful motor pulls a steel cable, lifting materials high into the air. Then a trolley moves the load forward or backward along the arm, and the entire crane can rotate, giving it full control across the construction site. But here's the most important part: balance. The farther the load is from the center, the lighter it must be. That's why massive counterweights are used to keep the crane stable and safe. Today's tower cranes are incredibly smart. They use sensors to prevent overload, limit dangerous movements, and even stop working in strong winds. As the building gets taller, the crane actually climbs up with it. It lifts itself. So next time you see a tower crane, remember, it's not just lifting materials, it's building the skyline.